Setting up screen recording on Sceptre monitors starts with proper hardware connection. Connect your monitor using HDMI or DisplayPort for optimal signal quality and compatibility. Next, configure your recording software. Popular options like OBS Studio provide comprehensive settings for display capture, audio inputs, and recording quality. Set up your display settings to match your monitor's native resolution. Configure hotkeys for convenient recording control. NVIDIA users can utilize GeForce Experience with Alt-Z to open the overlay, Alt-F9 to start recording, and Alt-F1 for screenshots. For optimal recording quality, use specific settings based on your monitor resolution. 1080p monitors work best with H.264 encoding, 30 to 60 FPS frame rates, and bit rates between 5,000 to 8,000 kbps. For higher resolution monitors like 1440p or 4K models, increase the bitrate to 10,000 to 15,000 kbps for 1440p recording. Hardware acceleration is strongly recommended to maintain smooth performance during recording sessions. Multiple software options are available for screen recording on Sceptre monitors. We'll explore built-in Windows solutions, professional software, and browser-based options. Windows provides built-in recording solutions that work seamlessly with Sceptre monitors. The Xbox Game Bar is accessible with Windows plus G and offers quick recording capabilities. The Windows Camera app provides basic recording functionality for simple screen capture tasks and presentations. Professional software offers advanced features and customization. OBS Studio is a free, open-source solution with extensive recording capabilities and hardware acceleration support. Camtasia provides professional recording and editing capabilities in one package, ideal for creating polished educational and business content. Browser-based solutions offer convenience and cloud integration. Loom provides quick screen sharing and recording directly from your browser. Common recording issues can affect your Sceptre monitor setup. Understanding these problems and their solutions ensures optimal recording quality. Color accuracy problems are common when recording. The solution involves calibrating your monitor's color profile and using sRGB mode for web content creation. Frame rate inconsistencies occur when recording settings don't match your monitor's capabilities. Ensure your recording frame rate matches or divides evenly into your monitor's refresh rate. Audio synchronization problems can ruin otherwise perfect recordings. Use consistent sample rates of 48 kHz and monitor for audio delay that may need post-production adjustment. With the right software choice and proper troubleshooting knowledge, screen recording on Sceptre monitors can deliver professional quality results for any application.